Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today the topic is how to heal shingle in 10 days. Shingle is very painful disease. If you can heal it really fast, they'll release your own pain. And also please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That will help me and help others. First of all, what is shingle? It is called herpes zoster. How you get it and then why you get it, please refer to Google search. Especially when you are age 62 and older, you have high risk of getting it. The point of this video is how to spot it and how to heal it fast. How to spot it is shingle. The early stage is extremely important for the fast healing. To recognize it right away is very crucial to healing process. How to recognize it is shingle? It's very confusing for patient. Is it a shingle or not? Usually, when you are extremely stressed or immune system is low, it's the easiest time to get shingle. The early stage of shingle, you will feel like you are having a side stitch or a cramp. Also, it's called side ache or side cramp or a side sticker or simply the stitch. It is an intense stabbing pain under the lower cage of the rib cage that occurs while exercising. Very similar to that, but is not the same sickness or the disease. The second day, you will feel similar, like rashes appear on the skin, most commonly at the waist, or could happen any other area of the body, and it is very itching. And the third day, you will notice something significantly wrong, because the regular rash you can heal. You can heal with any type of medicine, rash or rash medicine. But if it is shingle, you cannot heal it with any regular, like on-the-counter medicine. Follow. Okay, this is a picture of it, like the early stage of the shingle. It's very similar to a regular rash. Some people will mistakenly think, oh, it's just a rash, but but you cannot heal with any regular on-the-counter medicine. And truth to be told, you will feel like a knife is stabbing you at that location. Sometimes it changes, like electric shock waves at that location. And later you'll feel like a snake tongue rotating and flickering at your nerve at that location. So it is extremely painful. Look at this picture. Look, the tongue of the snake. When it flickering up, it pounding on your nerve. So it is so painful. So most patients they don't know how to describe it. But this is very accurate description about shingles pain. So the regular rash, you don't feel pain such like this, like electric shock, and like this snake tongue flickering pain is that will tell you it's shingle. Then you are certain it is shingle, because it's so painful. That will make you feel your life feel like hell. And when you cannot function daily life, but you just suffering the tremendous pain, and this is not exaggerating, huh? And if you ask any shingle patient, they'll know, huh? So when you go to a medical doctor, they always tell you, oh, it's very painful, but they cannot describe what kind of pain that is. I already described to you, so you can tell those rash is not a regular rash. You're not like allergic to anything, but it is shingle. How to heal it? First of all, you need to recognize it is shingle as soon as possible, and as early stage as possible. Why? Because do not wait, or you prolong the sickness. It's more difficult to heal it if you wait or you prolong. You prolong yourself. You think you're gonna heal yourself. It's not gonna heal yourself. So you have to see a doctor. And you have to see a doctor right away, because you speed up the recovery. The doctor, what they will prescribe you the medicine right away, such as Veltrex, 1,000 milligram, 3 times a day for 10 days. And also Murotron. I'm not a medical professional, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Or this another gabapentin, 100 mg, twice a day. And also Altron, 50 mg. This Altron is controlled substance. It's like a drug. You could get addictive. So it's a controlled substance. They're very how to say, rare, to give you this message. Why? Because it's your shingle pain is so extremely painful. They want to lighten your move. It's so extremely painful, like make you living hell. It's not exaggerating. It's actual fact. But if you use this video method, you don't have to use Ultron to lighten your mood. Not even the second medicine they describe. But you have to use Ultron for sure, because you have to kill the shingle virus. But shingle is complicated sickness, because it involves the nerve and the virus, and also the recovery of the nerves. And so if you use this method of this video, you will be able to suppress the pain into a minimum, and also up to no pain at all. Okay, how to suppress the pain and heal the nerves? The key is this Chinese herbal medicine, mugwort. It's also called aicao, mugwort stick. Okay, you use the mugwort stick. Break the stick and retrieve the grass, and then place the entire grass from the stick, and use a handkerchief to wrap it into a small pillow. Then place the mugwort pillow that you have just made, and press it against where it hurts, and wear it all day and all night with a scarf or a bell to help to attach to the skin. You have to attach this pillow to your where it hurts. In Chinese, when they describe this kind of shingle disease, sickness, they describe it as snake skin, like snake bite, snake rash, something like that. But when there's a snake, like in your body, that means there's a snake head over there, which is where the pain, where it started. When you started the shingle, they usually there's a point you start, and that's the point you hurt it you the most. And you put this mugwort pillow on the top of it, on the outside exterior of your skin, and press it against the where your pain is, huh? And you have to replace it like a fresh one every 2 or 3 days until the pain is completely gone. And then you, because of this pillow right here, this mugwort pillow right here, you feel instantly relief of the pain. Now even the like rattlesnake snake tongue pounding your nerve, you'll stop. So this is like a wonderful miracle Chinese herb. So you can use this one. But you need to continue to wear this pillow until you are completely healed. 24 hours a day, until you heal one day. Okay. There's a picture of this mugwort stick right here. This one, you just like this. It's a stick right there. But this one is a age mugwort stick right here. But you don't have to get this age one. This is like a 5 years old mugwort age stick. The reason choosing this mugwort stick, one stick per use, because it's very easy to get it, or you can buy it from any Chinese supermarket or Chinese herbal stores, or simply go eBay, and you can get wherever you want and whatever you want. And then you can roll it up, break the grass, break the stick, and roll it like this, this picture right here, like a pillow, yeah. And then you can put it on the top of where it hurts. If you live in Asia, like Taiwan, Hong Kong, China, Japan, anywhere in Asia, you can get these like this. This is like already made. If you Google it or you go to the Chinese herbal website, they do sell this like already made. You just put this one and then press it on where it hurts. This is very inexpensive Chinese herb, but it works wonders. You can if you you can Google the function of this herb right there, and you can see it's very inexpensive and very effective to heal any type of nerve pain. And you can heal other pain also. So you can Google its function. But now our subject is talking about shingle. Or if you live in Asia, yeah, you can buy like something like this. This is like a bell with this mugwort grass inside it. And when you wear, if your shingle is around your waist area, use this bell. Wear this 24 hours a day. Unless you take a shower, then of course you remove it. And otherwise, whenever it still hurt, you wear it 24 hours a day. The minute you wear it, you feel very, very comfortable, and then you can function daily lives. This mugwort grass is to calm the pain, also heal the nerve pain. So it's very, very important for shingle because it can really calm the pain and heal the nerves pain. So if you use this herbal Chinese herbal, you don't really need to like the second drug and the third drug already. But you need to be persistent, and you cannot give up in the middle of the treatment. Or you will not be completely healed. So it's very important. Just put it over there, where it's painful, and you cannot give up in the middle of the treatment. And you will help you tremendously. the important factor about shingle, because immune system is low. Like the many people afraid does not like sunshine, or the elderly, they are indoor all the time. They are not in contact with the sun. So so that's why it's very easy. Immune system is low. Yeah. What you do is you need to take to speed up the heal up of the shingle. You need to take high volume of vitamin D3, like 2,000 IU, 2 tablets at a time, and 2 times a day at the beginning of the first week, and then gradually decrease it daily until then 1 D3 per day. The point is because you are low in the vitamin D3, that's the key point. That's why you need to take this one D3 in high volume to make up your immune system is low because you lack of vitamin D3. And also you need to take other vitamin too. For example, vitamin B1. What is vitamin B1 for? It's for nerve recovery because shingle is tremendous, very vicious, very invasive sickness. You damage your nerve. So B1 is for recover your nerve. And B6 is for skin recovery because shingle involves rashes, blisters. For those people suffer later stage of shingle, you see blisters going everywhere. So B6 is to heal up blisters and rash. Also, you need to take B12. B12 is produce energies, and because you're gonna be depressed because of the shingle, this sickness, and B2 also to promote red blood cell, and also for speedy recovery. So all this vitamin you have to take because your immune system are low, so that's why it's very you are not immune to shingle. So many patients, many people are suffering shingle and they don't know how to heal it. And doctor's medicine is not really helping a lot. And all this method has helped my mother and my relatives, including myself. I heal myself in 10 days. So you can heal yourself and others in no time. It's very important because the doctors prescribe the good medicine, but unfortunately those medicine is not really effective. For you ask any shingle patient, they're gonna tell you it's like some of the medicine is like not helping at all. Some of the medicine is only making you drowsy, making you sleepy. So you probably will complain less. And also another one is helping enlighten your mood, which means it's not really helping the problem. It's only helping you mentally, helping you get through having a good day. But the thing is, it's not really curing the source of the pain. The curing of the source of the pain is used that Chinese herbal. The mugwort grass is one of the wonderful miracle Chinese herb over there. It heals a lot of sickness and diseases. You should give it a try and heal yourself. And because Chinese medicine is wonderful, yeah. The doctors are wonderful too. The American doctors are wonderful too. But the thing is, sometimes they don't talk to each other. Those American doctors, they don't really know Chinese herbal medicine, and Chinese medicine don't really combine with the Western medicine doctors. So this is a perfect combination to heal shingle, huh? So you can share this one with other people too. Okay, this video has Chinese version too, huh? Please check out the YouTube in Chinese character, and please refer this this video to other people who are still suffering shingle. You are not only helping them, you are actually saving their lives, huh? As any shingle patient, sometimes they suffer very long time. Sometimes it could as long as like 1 year, or some 8 months, 1 year, you name it, huh? But you suffer unnecessary, unless you know this video, this video, with this Chinese wonderful herbal, huh? You will save yourself, and you're gonna save other people's life, release their pain. But the Valtrex is necessary to kill the shingle virus. But the thing is, the Chinese herbal mugwort grass, it will heal all the rest of the pain. I'm not saying you don't have to take other medicine too. You can also take other medicine like the doctor prescribe, but this one you can try it, then you'll know, you know the big difference. And please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. I will have more video upload. This is just beginning of the tip of the iceberg. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. How to heal shingle in 10 days.